Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about kinematics of motion in a straight line. This is the topic number three of mechanics one in A levels. Today we'll be discussing about the displacement time graph and the distance time graph. So first of all, how to draw the displacement time graph. So displacement we draw on the vertical axis, that's displacement in meters, and on the horizontal axis we draw the time in seconds. Okay, let's suppose a person starts walking from zero and walks in this direction 3 meters in 5 seconds. So, how you're going to plot this displacement time graph on the graph paper at zero time? Obviously, it was at zero, and in 5 seconds, it traveled 3 meters. So, it would be like this. And for the next 10 seconds, the person starts walking in the opposite direction and walked to 10 meters. That means this will become minus 5 because you are going in the opposite direction. So if you want to plot it, okay, that's 5 and minus 5 will be, that or maybe आप लोगों के लिए थोड़ा ये confusing ना हो जाए. So it walked to 12 seconds, um, 12 seconds and walked in this direction these 18 meters, right? How you are going to plot this in the displacement graph, time graph, for the next 12 seconds. That means till 17 seconds. This is time in seconds. So he is in this direction. He is in minus 15 meters in the opposite direction. So minus 15. So minus 15 in the this direction. So you are going to draw your graph like this. That means from the starting point, it's minus 15. It's 15 in the opposite direction. While if you are going to draw the same journey on a distance time graph, so what it would be, you have to draw the distance on the vertical axis, distance on the vertical axis, this is meters, and this is time in seconds. So in the first 5 seconds, 3 meters achieved 3 meters distance. So it would be like this. And in the further 12 seconds, that means till 17 seconds, it is the distance, total distance covered is 18 meters. So 18 plus 3 is 21. So at 17 seconds, it's on 21 meters. So in this graph, if you look at the gradient of this distance time graph, gradient is equal to what? That's equal to speed. What does gradient means? Gradient means if you take the distances s, so ds over dt, the change in distance over change in time is equal to speed. While in displacement time graph, as it could be negative, the gradient could be negative here, and you know that the negative means the velocity, the direction. So in this graph, the gradient will be equals to velocity. In displacement time graph, the gradient will be equals to velocity. That means uh, if displacement, I'm going to take it d, sorry, uh, okay, if you take the same variable as ds over dt is equal to v, velocity. Okay, I'll change the distance here. If the distance is x, so dx over dt is equal to speed, and if the displacement is s, that would be dx over dt is equal to speed. So velocity can be, this means that this is in this direction. It's going, its displacement is 3 meters, and when it has gone in the opposite direction, the displacement is now this is minus 15 meters. Okay, inshallah, in the next video, we'll discuss about the speed and velocity and some other the next topics, inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz.